Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we have started unit number 13, that is energy and its resources, and today I will deliver its first lecture. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the lecture with an activity. So here you can see a few pictures. A boy is eating some fruits, and you can see that someone is pouring oil or fuel inside a motorbike. Now, do you think know what is energy? आपको पता है energy क्या होती है? देखिए, आप कभी सोचते हैं कि मैं अगर दूध पीऊंगा तो मेरी एनर्जी जो है वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, या अगर मैं खाना खाऊंगा तो एकदम से एनर्जी आ जाती है आपके अंदर, या रोज़ा रखने के बाद आपकी एनर्जी कम हुई हुई होती है और जब आप जैसे ही खाना खाते हैं तो आप एकदम से आपके अंदर एनर्जी आ जाती है. सो दैट मीन्स फूड जो है वो हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है. और एनर्जी क्या होती है? एनीथिंग विच हेल्प्स यू टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट वर्क्स और परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनर्जी. सो इफ यू डू नॉट ईट फूड, व्हाट विल हैपन टू यू? वी विल डाई. एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी, हमारे जो डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स हैं वो काम नहीं कर सकेंगे, हमारी बॉडी प्रॉपरली फंक्शन नहीं कर सकेगी, उसको वो एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी जिससे काम करना होता है. सो दैट मीन्स हमें फूड चाहिए एनर्जी के लिए. सो कैन अ बाइक मूव विदाउट फ्यूल? इसी तरह क्या आपकी गाड़ी या आपकी मोटर बाइक जो है वो तेल के बगैर या फ्यूल जो उसके अंदर पेट्रोल या डीजल डलता है उसके बगैर चल सकती है? नहीं चल सकती. वाई? बिकॉज दिस फ्यूल, पेट्रोल और डीजल provides energy to the car or the bike for movement. So my dear students, now this is our student learning outcome. In today's lecture, students will be able to recognize that energy is required for doing work. So मुख्तलिफ तरह के काम करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. आज हम ये recognize कर सकेंगे. So in today's lesson, we will discuss all about energy. So Islamic perspective, he hath constrained the night and the day and the sun and the moon to be of service unto you. So my dear students, different चीज़ें हैं. सूरज जो है इसकी भी हम एनर्जी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और दिन और रात जो है ये अल्लाह ताला ने हमारे ही बेहतरी के लिए बनाए हैं. और इनमें जो सूरज है ये तो तमाम एनर्जी जो सोर्सेज हैं उसमें टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट जो है वो सन आता है. और सन जो है ये लाइफ एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए भी इस दुनिया में बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सम प्री रीडिंग क्वेश्चंस. क्विकली टेल मी फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेन एनर्जी. फूड, वेरी गुड. हाउ वी डू आवर वर्क डेली? with the help of energy. What type of energy is around us? Solar energy, light energy, wind energy. So these are some energies which we can see around us. इसके अलावा different gases हैं जो कि आपके fuels हैं जो हमारी गाड़ियों में और हमारे घर में जलते हैं और energy provide करते हैं. So does everything work with energy? Yes, everything needs energy to perform different functions, and for working they need energy. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards the reading. I request you all to please open page number 120 in your GK3 books. Very good. So my dear students, let's first quickly look at the pictures. Here you can see picture number A boy with a goat. So a boy and a goat, both are living things. So how do they perform their different functions, or what do they need for movement? They need energy. And where do they get the energy? From food. Very good. Here in picture B, you can see a man is putting fuel inside a bike. So for movement, this bike needs fuel, and this fuel provides energy to the bike. For playing, this boy needs energy. And where does he get the energy? From the food. Now, here you can see a fan. So this fan also needs energy or power for working, for moving. So where does this energy come from? क्या जब लाइट होती है, लाइट के बगैर ये पंखा चल सकता है? No. So electricity provides energy to this fan for movement and for working. Now let's start the reading. Energy is the ability to do work. Now observe the following pictures as we have already done. In the above pictures, food energy make animals and humans move. In a bike, fuel energy, petrol, makes it run. A ball moves due to the energy of the child he is applying on the bat. The fan moves due to electrical energy. So my dear students, everything moves with the energy. So energy is the ability to do work. कोई भी काम करने के लिए living things को या non-living things को energy चाहिए. So without energy, none of the above things or organisms can move. Just imagine a goat not finding its food for many days. What will happen? The goat will die because it will not have energy to move its body parts. So it is actually energy or power that makes things move. So my dear students, अगर living things को खाना नहीं मिलेगा, so उनकी body में different functions perform करने के लिए energy नहीं होगी, and ultimately if they will not eat for many days, they will die. So food provides energy to living things, whereas different non-living things like fan, AC, car, motorbike, they need external energy for movement. So everything around us needs energy for movement and performing different functions. So my dear students, energy is the ability to do work. Everything needs energy, whether it's living things or non-living things, they need energy. Here in this picture, you can see this man. For pushing this cart, this man needs energy. And for moving, this cart also needs energy. So this is living and this is non-living. Both need energy for working and moving. So in one picture, you can see the example of both living and non-living things. Next, here you can see three living things, boy, girl, and a goat. All need energy for movement and for performing different functions. So human beings and living things get their energy from their food. For playing, for running, for reading, for writing, for moving, for walking, they need energy which they get from the food. So we get energy from our food. Energy we gain from food helps to do our work and to make us move. So fuel energy. So this car needs fuel और इसको movement के लिए energy चाहिए जो कि इसको fuel से मिलती है. And this fan, it also needs energy. And this moves with the help of electrical energy. इसको बिजली की ज़रूरत है movement के लिए and electricity is also a form of energy. So solar energy is also a form of energy. ये sun की energy होती है जो कि मुख्तलिफ electricity generate करने में या और काम करने में helpful है. Then there is thermal energy यानी कि heat energy. Now is the time for practice. You can download this worksheet from the description box below this video or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, write down your name and your class, then match each object with the correct option. So here are some forms of energy given: heat, electricity and fuel. कौन सी चीज़ के लिए कौन सी energy कौन सा काम करने में helpful है, you have to match the form of energy with the picture. Okay, let me do the first one for you. So for lighting the bulb, electricity is required as energy. You will complete the rest of the worksheet. Now we will move forward towards the question answers given in the worksheet. Answer the questions. What is energy? So you have to define the energy. Energy is the when we do work, that is energy, is required for doing work. What are the different sources of energy we use? हमने different sources of energy जो है उनके बारे में पढ़ा है. Food, electricity, solar energy, thermal energy, heat energy, fuel. These all are different energies that we use in our daily life. So now is the time for evaluation. For that, we will move forward towards page number 126. These are listening and speaking questions. Listen to them very carefully and then orally answer them. So question number 1, what is energy? The power for performing different functions and work, that is called energy. What does a bike, how does a bike move? With the help of fuel energy. Which thing makes a fan running? Electrical energy, very good. What is the energy source of a goat and a boy? Food, very good. So my dear students, now quickly note down your homework. For homework, you will do home activity number 1, and you will also do question number 1 given on page number 128. Define energy. You will do this question in your notebooks. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. So energy is the ability to do work. Everything needs energy. A boy can move due to food energy. A bike can move due to fuel energy. And a fan can run due to electrical energy. So everything, living and non-living, they need energy to do different works. So the ability to do work is called energy. So my dear students, I hope you have understood about energy. So keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.